how to create a TikTok business account. So first of all, make sure that you've opened your TikTok profile on your device and then click on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner. Once you've done that, you can see settings and privacy, then just click on it. So under settings and privacy, select accounts. Here you will be given a few options, so you have to select the fourth option, which is switch to business account. Once you've clicked on it, it's going to give you a couple of information cards. You just have to click on next. Now it will ask you to choose a category to describe your account. So I'm just going to select personal blog here and then click on next. After this, it will ask you to enter your email. Now this is optional, so if you prefer to add your email, you can type in your address and click on add. But for now, I'm just going to click on skip. And again, it will ask you to add your bio. It is also optional, so it is up to you. And I'm also going to hit skip on this. Now your profile have been completed, so you can either create a video right now and upload it, or you can choose maybe later, and I'm going to do that. And now your business account have been set on TikTok. And now you can go back to your account and see a business suite under the menu option. And here you can find all of the settings and analytics related to your business. And that is basically it. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you find it helpful.